Breaking news coming in. Supreme Court now to continue hearing on Rajasthan Speaker case on Monday. Currently, the hearing has been dismissed. It will continue on Monday. In the meanwhile, any order by the High Court, Rajasthan High Court, will be subject to the outcome of the Supreme Court's hearing on Monday. Both sides to submit a concise written submissions. Let's quickly cut across to our reporters joining us. We have Anisha Mathur joining us from the Supreme Court to give us details. Dev Ankur also joining us for more details. Before we come to Anisha, Dev, take us through this decision. Supreme Court has now left this matter to Monday. But in the meanwhile, any decision that the High Court, any order by the High Court will be subject to the outcome of the Supreme Court, which will be on Monday here. On both sides, they have to submit a concise written submission there. Take us through the details.
Well, Nabila, clearly Kapil Sibal representing the Rajasthan Assembly Speaker making some key observations, mentioning out there that the Speaker had only issued notices to which the members of the Assembly were to respond. They did not respond in the matter, and that the High Court did not have any jurisdiction in this matter. As my colleague from the Rajasthan Supreme Court, Anisha, was reporting, the Supreme Court has put this Monday and has also maintained that in the interim period, if any verdict comes out from the Rajasthan High Court, then the final matter still will lie with the Supreme Court. I have Pratik Kasliwal, who is the Senior Counsel of Rajasthan High Court and represents the Assembly Speaker, with me right now. Mr. Kasliwal, you have heard the entire arguments. You were there through the video conferencing, connected when the entire hearing was going on. What sense have you gathered so far?
See, one thing is very clear. I think all the three judges were cautious of the fact that it's a very pertinent question which has been raised, and they themselves have observed that in a democratic setup like this, if such interferences are being done, probably this will create a lot of problems. And being conscious of this fact, the court says we require a long hearing on this issue, and looking to the paucity of time, I think it cannot be concluded today, and that's
Mr.
why
Sibal wanted the High Court, a stay to be put on the hearing. As far as the High Court is concerned, the Supreme Court clearly has not agreed to it, sir.
No, it's not a question of disagreeing. It's the question that since it has been put up for order, so court said if any order be passed, it will in any case be matter would be heard on Monday, and it will be in consideration, and the जो भी राजस्थान हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर होगा वो सुप्रीम कोर्ट के ऑर्डर के अध्याधीन विचाराधीन रहेगा.
And Mr. Sibal also mentioning that the Kyoto judgment needs to be looked at in totality, but the Supreme Court maintaining that all the judgments that have been cited need to be deliberated upon, and in length, procedural matter has to be considered before a final judgment is arrived upon.
Yeah, important jurisdictional question has been raised since this issue has been settled by a constitutional bench in Kyoto Holon matter, so it cannot be re-agitated. But this petition which has been filed is being filed completely ignoring this fact. Therefore, court said now since we are seized with this matter, let High Court pass any order. But in any case, this will be subject to the outcome of any hearing which has been pending before the Supreme Court. Looking to the paucity, court could not pass any other order, and that's why they have passed this order that the Supreme Court is now seized with this matter. If High Court passes any order, that would be subject to the outcome of what the order has been passed.
Mr. Kasliwal, one key observation by the Supreme Court was regarding whether, when the Assembly is not in session, can a whip which is issued at that time be valid under the Constitution? And Mr. Sibal responding to that, how do you consider that, sir?
Yeah, probably the reason is that it has been portrayed that there is some whip being issued and there is a disobedience in the House. And this is what has been clarified by Mr. Sibal, that whip is a direction. It was a direction given to the other MLAs to appear and before the CLP meeting, which they defied. And this shows that they don't want to remain in the party, and it purely comes within the purview of 2(1)(a) that you are voluntarily not wanting to continue in the party.
Well, so clearly the bench mentioning that this is, a matter which requires serious consideration, and that is why the judges mentioned that they need to consider all of the details. That is.
Thank you very much. Do stay with us, though. We have Anisha Mathur also joining us from the Supreme Court. Anisha, the Supreme Court there tossing the matter to Monday, but very clearly says that the High Court, Rajasthan High Court, cannot make a decision, and the Supreme Court's